So to me, innovation is about problem solving. And problem solving for rotomolders is really at the heart of everything we do. So what drives anybody to do what they do? I mentioned that problem solving is one of those things that drives us, but I think also for the people that work here, it's the pride in seeing the products out in the field. Going into Home Depot, seeing products you did, going to trade shows and seeing products all over the place, action sports industry. Yeah, our products are everywhere. You can see them in all kinds of major stores, you can see them in magazines, you can see them at trade shows. So that's another one of the things I think that drives people, drives our innovation. The longer I work here, the more I'm amazed about our company's culture. It's kind of a fairy tale story. A guy who works in his garage, goes to night school to develop a technology, and then launches the company and builds it into a huge company that employs over 100 people. So for me and the leadership team that's here now, we see ourselves as being able to stand on the shoulders of those giants that came before us. So for us, it's our job to take the technology one step further. We've got this incredible platform that's been built, and so now it's our job to take it to the next level.
I see it in the R&D department. I see it all the time with new products that are developing or improvements on our existing products. That's going on year round. It's nonstop for them. They're working on stuff now that we may come out with in 2 years, so we can develop it, test it, try it out, confirm the quality, and it's going to be something useful in the industries that we serve, be it rotomolding, blow molding, or injection molding. I also see it out in the shop with what the guys do on the floor and how they process the graphics. They're finding ways to do things that are better, faster, keep the quality up, but improve output, or just improve their general processes, which is a great thing also out there. If they can do something better and faster out there, that just helps exponentially the company and our customers.
Molded Graphic Systems R&D team is always striving to meet the demands of our customers and of our industries that we serve. And we never really had a good solution for the injection molded world until they came out with the Polyfuse graphic. They needed to have something that was fast, repeatable, and be able to keep up with the cycle times of injection molding. And the Polyfuse graphic in most situations can do just that. It can keep up with the cycle times, but also for durable goods, it adds a labeling technology that is durable and is going to last the lifetime of the part.
Creativity comes from creative people. We have creative people. We have people here who are really motivated, but they think outside the box. It's not just in product development, but people in our production area are continually looking at the way we do things and how can we do it better. It's really where that comes from. But the creativity and taking the products to another level is another one of the things that's at the heart of the company's culture. Looking at something that we're doing and always asking the question, how can we do this better?
Oftentimes it takes a lot of people working together, and I'm just appreciative to be in that kind of an environment where people work together.
Jamie and Jason and I have a really great time working together, but I've made some really cool relationships with some of the customers too.
I know most people don't remember what a bleed was, but Piranha used to have a multicolored graphic with their graphics, and you had to set the color on the press and try to keep it within that certain area, and it was totally murderous, but we accomplished it every time.